Hello guys, my name is Kumar. You are watching me. Let's start today's stream video without having the further delay. So in this video, I'm going to tell you the routine of 31st July 2024 of the day 238. So basically in this video I'm going to tell you what's actually happened, but before going to the start details routine video, I just only wanted to apologize you that why I am apologizing you. The thing is simple, that from the last too many days routine video I can't able to upload just because of the some reasons, or you can also say that just of the my busy routine. So that's why I was unable to shoot the routine video simple. So but the thing is that if I skipped any day's routine video, that means not that the skip days routine video I can't shoot. First, I will shoot the skip days routine video, and after that, I will shoot the present day routine video. Okay. So without any further delay, let's start with this routine video. So basically, guys, today I woke up at around 3 a.m. in the morning, and what I had done after that, waking up, I stand on the first, and after that I set up all the things. I situated chair at the right place, as well as I situated the cooler at the right place, and after that I started studying. So basically this is the thing which was actually happened at the time of morning. Okay. And after that what I have done, let me tell you first. Okay. First, first I went after studying. I went to the ground floor. Maybe I went to the bathroom. I don't know exactly about it. After that, I washed my mouth, and after that, I had taken the bath, and after that, basically, what I had done. Yeah, after that, I worshipped in a very proper manner. First, maybe I first wore the clothes, or after worship, I wore the clothes. I don't know exactly about it, but I have, in a Hindu culture, we have to worship it a very proper manner. So I just try to do, but I don't know exactly about it. So it's my apologize that if I'm telling any wrong thing, but I worship. Okay. So basically, this is a thing which was actually happened, but I worshipped it a very proper manner. Okay. So after that, what he had done, um, yeah, after that I started searching some mobiles like that, something, all the features of mobiles, like that, the screen size. Okay, what's the ratio of the screen, as well as the display, the AMOLED display, full HD display, or HD display, or LCD, or IPS panel. This is kind of and something all about the HDR with the sometimes phones, supports HDR, or sometimes it does not, and the protection, as well as the quality of the camera, as well as the main thing is that the processor or the software, what is inside the phone, as well as the the storage, like the RAM and ROM, like according to me, there on an average person should take minimum 128 GB storage. Okay, at minimum 6 GB RAM, I think so. But if you don't have, but at least at the worst case there should be 4 GB RAM. Okay. So basically this is kind of the things which was I actually searched. Okay. So after that I not done too much thing I do not done too much thing. Wait guys, I have not done too much thing throughout the whole day, I tell you seriously. After that I studied some subjects. Okay. And at the time of evening, basically I ate food and I went for the sleep. So basically guys, this is the thing which was actually happened at the day of 31st July 2024 of the day 238. And I hope you really understand till here. If you really understand till here, then kind of please like it, because if you like my videos, it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos at a continuously manner. But you already know that my average videos period length minimum 10 minutes, but we have completed only 4 minutes, so we have to talk at least 6 minutes or more. So by utilizing our time at a very proper manner, so let's start daily learning of 5 or 10 words vocabulary on the daily basis. So let's start from the very first word, guys. So our first word is gorgeous. Gorgeous means, guys, bhavya. It seems like gorgeous. Sculptor. Sculptor means, guys, murtikar. Who is the sculptor of this sculpture? Sorry. Who is the sculptor of this sculpture? Yeah, it's sometimes like the same sound is coming, but that is sculptor and sculpture. Okay. So basically this is the thing which was actually happened. So our third word is fascinating. Fascinating, guys, means आकर्षक. It seems like very fascinating. Okay, that sculpture looks very fascinating, I can't tell you. Our fourth word is fantasy. Fantasy means, guys, kalpana. You can't fantasy that how it's beautiful actually, but I have some doubt regarding this example. Okay, but I will think about, not think about it, I'll learn something about this exam. I will learn about this word. Okay, our last and word is fantastic. It seems like that jabardast. It's fantastic. I can't tell you, it's mind blowing. Okay, so this is the all the vocabulary words. Okay, so yeah, so till 10 minutes we will start learning vocabulary. Okay, so yeah. So first word is whose means, guys, किसका. Whom किसको. समझदार सेंसिबल पढ़ा लिखा. is illiterate अनपढ़. illiterate बातूनी. गैरुलस मेहमान. गेस्ट रिश्तेदार. रिलेटिव किराएदार. टेनेंट चौकीदार. वॉचमैन अनाथ. ऑर्फन विधवा. ऑर्फन चुगलखोर. स्नीचर कांपना. ट्रेम्बल परंपरा. ट्रेडिशन जो कुछ भी. विच एवर जो कोई भी. हुएवर. कंजूस माइजर. छीलना. पील छानना. स्ट्रेन पीसना. ग्राइंड सेकना. बेक निचोड़ना. स्क्वीज बेशक. इट्स ऑफ कोर्स. शाबाश. वेल्डन. सिंदूर. वर्मिलियन. हत्या. मर्डर. भ्रष्टाचार. करप्शन. अफवाह. र्यूमर. हल्दी. टर्मरिक. अदरक. जिंजर. लहसुन. गार्लिक. कबूतर. पिजियन. खीरा. कुकुम्बर. एड़ी. हील. दाढ़ी. बियर्ड. हड्डी. बोन. हमेशा. फॉरएवर. तलवार. स्वॉर्ड. कंबल. इज ब्लैंकेट. पिंजरा. केज. गुफा. केव. थका हुआ. टायर्ड. याद दिलाना. रिमाइंड. फेंकना. थ्रो. चढ़ना. क्लाइंब. सुई. निडल. धागा. इज थ्रेड. ईट. ब्रिक. पत्थर. रॉक. सॉरी, ईट इज ब्रिक एंड पत्थर इज स्टोन. आंसू. टीयर. झाड़ू. ब्रूम. नाली इज ड्रेन. नाश्ता. ब्रेकफास्ट. अंधा इज ब्लाइंड. गूंगा इज डम्ब. बहरा. हैरा इज डीप. लंगड़ा. लेम. पागलपन. लुनेसी. बौना. ड्वार्फ. रोग. डिजीज. झाग. फोम. बरसाती. रेनी. मुलायम इज सॉफ्ट. उबासी लेना. यॉनिंग. आटा इज फ्लोर. दाल. पल्स. मसूर दाल. लेंटिल. उधार लेना इज बोरो. या सिटी. विसल. ज्वालामुखी इज वोल्केनो. भूकंप इज स्टॉर्म. Sorry, भूकंप is earthquake. Bar. Storm. Sorry. Why I'm doing too much mistake? Because I didn't revise this such kind of words from the last too many days. It's really a very bad thing that I'm doing. Bhukam is flood. Sorry. Bhukam is earthquake. Bard is flood. Mitti soil. Tufan is storm. Chutney sauce. Malai. Cream. भेजना. Sand. मंगेतर. Fiance. ससुराल is in-laws home. कसाई. बचर. माली. गार्डनर. दौलत. वेल्थ. सहानुभूति इज सिंपैथी. आनंद. प्लेजर. मेहनती इज लेबोरियस. दिखावा करना इज प्रिटेंड. जवाब दे. काउंटेबल. नाई इज बार्बर. दर्जी इज टेलर. मोची. कॉबलर. सुनार. गोल्डस्मिथ. लोहार. ब्लैकस्मिथ. हलवाई इज कन्फ्लेक्शनर. बहस इज डिबेट. आश्चर्यचकित. एस्टोनिश. Okay, so basically, right, this is a thing which was actually happened, and I hope you'll understand clear. And one thing I wanted to tell you that when I speak in front of the camera, I just only wanted to ask you that if I done any kind of mistakes while any grammatical errors, so you kindly please tell me in the comment section, and I will really improve my English speaking skills, and I really appreciate you that you are trying to help me. Okay, so basically this is the thing which was actually happened, and the thing is that which I actually told you that when you If any grammatical error if I done, then you kindly please tell me in the comment section. I will really improve. I will really improve. That is, I will really improve my English speaking skills, and I appreciate you that you are trying to help me. Okay, so basically, guys, this is the thing which was actually happened today, and I think that it is enough for today, guys. So let's end the video, guys. See you, Adi. Bye bye. It's not a good. I think that one thing I am missing, that the still I have something past pre-recorded video already happened, but I will speak. I will shoot very soon. Okay, around 2 to 4 days, maybe 2 to 4 days is remaining. Okay, so but I will really complete it very soon. Okay, guys. So I think it is enough for today, guys. See you, Radhe. Bye bye.